Yo to the yo to the yo yo yo. I got a motorcycle here. Just kidding. 20, what is it, 16? 2016? Subaru Forester XT. What's this motor?
2.0 liter.
2.0 liter. And just gonna do a routine maintenance.
It's a turbo.
It's a
2.0 turbo.
The turbo. 2.0 turbo. Do some maintenance, you know, like this kind of stuff where maintenance isn't done. We're actually gonna do maintenance and replace that serpentine belt. So we're gonna just pop this top cover off so we can get to the tensioner. Just pull straight up. And then this guy here, and push on this so it actually makes some slack in the belt, and then we can pull the belt off and then put the new one on. What size you got there? What size you got there?
14.
14 or 9/16. Other way. Pull it towards me.
Yep.
And hang on. Let's get the new belt.
Remember, the parts diagrams don't tell you that fit.
Yeah, parts diagrams on the internet's kind of goofy. They say it doesn't fit actually on a website, but this is the correct one. We had tried doing this before last time during the wheel bearing video, and yeah, he had the wrong belt. So this should be the correct belt. When you pull the old one off, let's do this. We'll pull the old one off, and we'll just check the lengths, hold it up to the other one to make sure it's right. Here, you wanna finger that one and finger the other one, and then I can finger this one. Or are you gonna finger them both?
Oh, it doesn't look good.
Looks correct, eh?
No.
Yeah, that looks right.
One's longer.
Yeah, but the tension will take it. No, it's the same belt. Quit goofing around.
No, look at it.
It's the same belt. It's all goofing around. So, is there a diagram on this? Doesn't look like it.
Put it back the way you found it.
Put it back the way you found it. So when he gets this wrong, then I'll show you guys how to do it the right way. Good old monkey paw. Okay, so we got that one going down on the bottom, and then you see how it goes on that idler wheel. Then it goes around the crankshaft, and then the, boy, I don't know, what is that?
Alternator.
Power steering pump?
This?
No, your AC pump.
This is AC.
And your alternator. So we got it around the tensioner. We're just gonna put some slack in the tensioner, finish it off by putting it around the alternator. It'll self-align. I mean, if you get it off a little bit, I think you start it, it'll align, but there you go. Looks good. One thing done. Pop the cover back on. Just push it in the back and push pins back there to hold everything together, and we should be done. A couple other things to do on this yet. Do the cabin air filter, but oh yeah, I know, 2 sensors. So there'll be some more videos coming. Thanks for watching. Braaaap!